everyone, welcome back to English with Becky. I am Rebecca, and in this video we're going to look at the difference between while and during. So both talks about two things happening at the same time, but grammatically they are used different. So let us look at the difference between the two in this video. So while is a conjunction, and while is always followed by a subject plus a verb or a gerund. So what is a gerund? A gerund is the ing form of a verb, like playing, jumping, running, listening, talking. So that is a gerund. So while is always followed by a subject plus a verb or a gerund. So let us look at some example sentences. Do not talk while you are eating. You saw while you are eating, the ing form of the verb comes, right? Do not talk while you are eating. We use while and we do not say do not talk during you are eating, right? That's incorrect. And the next is I fell asleep while I was reading a book. So while I was reading a book, I cannot say I fell asleep during reading a book, right? I fell asleep while I was reading a book. I love listening to music while I am working, not during working or during I am working, right? I love listening to music while I am working. So you saw the format there for while plus subject plus a gerund, a verb. Now let us look at during. So during is a preposition and it's always followed by a noun. So it's during plus noun. It is hot during the summer, right? We don't say it is hot while summer. It is hot during summer. You are not allowed to talk during the examination, not while the examination, right? You are not allowed to talk during the examination. I was nervous during the interview. You see, I was nervous during the interview. Now let's try and use while in the same situation. I was nervous while I was being interviewed. You see, I was nervous during the interview. I was nervous while I was being interviewed. A verb follows with while, right? So it's during plus a noun, while plus a subject plus verb or a gerund. Well, that's it for this video. I do hope you found it useful. If you did, kindly consider subscribing to the channel, and if you have already subscribed, thank you, and thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.